We begin with new information. Senators Debbie Stabenow and Gary Peters are encouraging veterans to apply for the PACT Act. It provides VA health care and benefits for veterans who were exposed to burn pits and other toxic substances during their service. Senator Stabenow says the PACT Act is the largest investment in veteran health care in the past 30 years. An Air Force veteran says this finally gives veterans the help they deserve.
It's a celebration of life, basically, what the PACT Act means. It's millions of veterans who have screenings and early detection now that they didn't have previously, conditions that have been recognized when previously denied or plausible deniability was going on.
Veterans can still apply. To learn how, go to uppermichigansource.com or the TV6 and Fox UP mobile news app.